Today in this video we will see how to save Snapchat message lifetime. You can easily save your snap lifetime and just no need to screenshot. Go to your Snapchat chat option. Here you can see different chat. Just I select first chat and open, scroll up and you can see my chat with this person. How to save the snap? Just click on profile icon, click on three dot, scroll down. Here you can see delete chat, click on second number, click on 24 hours, click on second number, just go back and open the chat, scroll down and tab on chat icon and save in chat. Select the chat you want to save lifetime. You can see red option. This means save Snapchat lifetime. If you unfollow this step, just click on tab icon and click on unsave in chat. You can easily save chat and unsave this chat by following this step. Just go to setting and click on 24 hour and follow this step.